A very good afternoon to one and all. Myself, Hani Sultana, working as Assistant Professor in the Department of Management Studies, SNS College of Technology. Today we are going to see the topic demand forecasting under the topic forecasting. So in operations management, we discussed on various topics in the first unit, which is we have introduction to operations management in the first unit. So we had what is nature and operations of management, and we had what is the difference between products and services. So goods and services. And our last topic of first unit is world class manufacturing. We have discussed with this topic with the relevant case study and the relevant example, that is how Toyota cars have set up the world class manufacturing techniques, and we have also quoted various examples on Kaizen technology, and I have also given a topic on assignment like Kaizen different companies, like I have shared like McDonald's and different types of companies I have given, and based on that you have to give summarize on the Kaizen technology. So by this we have understood what is first unit and basics of what is operations management, and next we are moving a step ahead to learn about, like if you see, we can guess that something which is by looking into this picture we could able to see the pictures which denotes graphs, bar chart, pie diagram, etc. So and another picture we see there is a person who is connecting with the computers. So here we can see something which is they are working with some data. So here we can say that we are going to study a topic, forecasting. So what is forecasting? It is a process of predicting a future event based on the historical data. So we discussed about what is data, and now we can say that some process of predicting. So we are keeping the past data to record future. For example, we can quote a very good and relevant example is weather. So weather forecast can be done based on the, we can even for the next week or next month or next 10 days or next fortnight, we can say that this is the weather condition for the upcoming days. So forecasting, how forecasting is relevant to operations management. So forecasting is a tool for predicting future demand based on the past demand information. So again here in point of production and planning, and we are discussing about operations management. Here we are going to see how we have to work with various datas. So based on only the past information, we can able to predict for the future. So even if you take transformation process, even if you take products and services, whatever it is, we have to relate with the data. So to relate this data, we need a past record of events. So we know what is forecast, and we have understood with the example. And now it's our turn to see what are the types of forecast available. So we can say, we cannot conclude this is the types of forecast available based on the time horizon. So based on the time horizon, what are the types of forecast is available? So forecasting, we are going for future for the past. So definitely we have to calculate on the periodical basis. So how periodic we can able to calculate the forecast. So this is the reason why we are saying what are the types it is available. So we know short range, medium range and long range. So short, medium and long. So what is the short range of forecast? So we say short range forecast means which is usually less than 3 months. Okay, so the data which is available less than 3 months, we call it as short range. And what is again medium range? Medium range, it is about if it is beyond 3 months, and if it is less than 2 years, we call it as medium range forecast. And what is long range? So if it is beyond 2 years, we take long data. For example, if you are going for any loan application of loan, so for that we need the SIPL rate and etc. So we cannot see the SIPL rate cannot be calculated for monthly, for yearly, or how long the period of total number of EMIs, and how promptly the customer has paid the loan amount. with the principle. So this is the example. And again we can say, see, what is the long range forecast? So we know what is short range, medium range and long range. So long range forecast definitely in terms of operations management, it deals with the about new product planning, new product development stages. It goes beyond new product planning. So with this we will stop and we'll see in the next class.